Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful business class laptop without burning a hole in your pocket, then the HP 645 G4 is the choice for you. Under the hood, it's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 Pro processor, fast, efficient, and perfect for multitasking. First off, the design. The HP ProBook 645 G4 features a durable, no-nonsense build with a 14-inch HD display. You get to choose between 8 or 16 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of SSD storage. Whether you're working, studying, or streaming, this laptop handles it all with ease. Yes, it's a solid-state drive, so boot times and file transfers are lightning fast. Keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions and it's packed with ports. USB 3.0, VGA, DisplayPort, Ethernet. Plus, it's running on Windows 11, which means you're set on all the latest features, security updates, and a clean user interface. What makes this even better is that it's refurbished by NewJaisa technologies. They're not just resellers, they're a full-fledged tech refurb brand that makes every laptop go through 72 quality checks. Affordable, sustainable, and reliable. That's NewJaisa for you. For more information, you can check out the link in the description below. And thanks for watching.